All right, good afternoon and welcome to the end of the review for today. And today is Wednesday, August 14, 2024, and it's a week. So we have very interesting move today. We have a high impact news CBI report at 8:30, and we see that we're gonna see how the markets react to the CPI data released in the chart. And by the way, we are on week 33, all right, and 1 year we have a 52 trading week. For this week, we don't have any special option expiration day, which have a standard one. The one we look for next month is gonna be a triple, right? It's triple end of month and a quarter right there. That's called triple. March, June, and December. Yep. So you have a regular end of month and a quarter. All right. So the CBI is behind now. So we're looking for the next critical or high back news going to be the 29 and 30, which is the GPD data and BCA data. All right, let's dive into the chart for today. So the chart for today, when it's at 9:30, 8:30 Eastern time, we see that it creates a very big range right here, but it's a dozy. Dozy candle. Right? It's not a solid right there. It's a range. So we learn our lesson now. When we see this range candle, then if you see this, then see this hanging right there, you can short them until the buy side right there is coincident with the London sell side, and with the London sell side liquidity right there, which is the low right there. We can short them until it hit the target, we get out and we can go long. That is the logic that we learned for today. It's a little bit different than the other day. Yeah, you see that the other day it ripped off the buy side, and it continued to pull back a little bit and can work. But for today, it do the opposite. It go and it rip the buy side, and then it reverse. And right here we can see that it tried to break that level. It tried 1, 2, 3, and in the real time you can see this is a reversal, right? It's a flip right there. It flipped. It's a huge Dow candle and it flipped, and we got big trouble on this candle. we got stopped out for our maximum loss for the day, and we got stopped out right there. And the setup for today, we got out there, so we completely mixed this setup. It's sometimes it's amazing that if we patient a little bit, then we have a chance, But anyway, we should not be so down ourselves when we take a loss. It's just it is what it is. We try our best, so day by day in everywhere we're getting better. So to keep a change to getting better, lesson learned right there. So basically right here we thought that it's a second leg down. You see that? You see that it break this level, right? It break and it reverse, but then it take another right here. So we thought that gonna be right here, right? We see break, reverse, then we thought gonna be a second leg down at this level. See that? Break, reverse, then we thought second leg down. That's why we short right here. But in this case, the real breakout turned to a four breakouts. Like yesterday, we thought it's gonna be second leg down. You remember yesterday, there's the same phenomenon right there. So we learned the lesson twice today, but we're not quite get into our subconcept mind that yet, or into muscle memory right there. Okay, let's see right here. At this level, we see a break right there and the reverse, right? And then we thought there's gonna be a second break. It did second break right there. It did its job, no doubt it did break. But we have to target at this level, then we're good. We target right here. But it finished the second leg down right there. It did finish second leg down. And if we come back right here, then it's gonna be a reversal. Yeah, we thought it can completely break down. If you were in the real time, Melex was in the real time, you could see. Yeah, here's our look in the real time. That's the candle at 10:30 right there. You see that? We thought that it's gonna be a second leg down, follow up rate, but it did not. So that is we have to aim for the right targets. That basically, but it's right here from 55 to 42 is about 13 point move right there. Let's see. It's a new move. If we really catch this. Let's say we aim from here. We go in entry right here. Yeah, 13, about 13. 2 arm move right there. Or 3 arm move right there if we let it run to the max right there. Yeah. And that is look on the real time. Who thought that it's gonna be reversal from here? No one thought that it's gonna be reversal from there. But it did. So we have to aim at exactly target and we get out. Or we unload them and just keep one contract for let the winner run. The mistake that we don't entry exactly right here. You see the pattern, break, reverse, and then gonna be second break. So that is the second leg down signature right there. So basically right here at that level. Alright, let's do a markup right here. So in the real time, it's a flip. If we look at the level, it did have break, reverse, but however right here it flipped this candle and it turned into a reversal. Very key right there. Yep, so we can say whatever. We can say that right here So we can set a break right here, and then the reverse right there, and the break right here. So basically, the first step you have is break. Break, and we have the second step is the reverse. And you see the break is have a gap right there. Reverse, and then we have the third step is the break, which is a pure break. However, for this is flip. If like yesterday we see the phenomenal is flipped to a 4 breakout, right? Yesterday is a 4 breakout turned into a real breakout, but today a real breakout turned into a 4 breakout. So that is the new on right there. We're gonna revisit the scenario yesterday, but let's finish the verbiage for this setup. Basically, is a real breakout or next leg up at the level 54 54, 55, 75, the level right here. But this one is flipped to a 4 breakout. Right. What is the real breakout? Real breakout, we have to have break, and then you have a reverse. Better you will need it to break with a fair value gap. It did today. You see the fair value gap right there at the level, or at that level for this matter, huge fair value gap right there. Yes, so the huge flip at that level. Yeah. And then we have reverse, and then we have break, which is a real break. But in this case, it flipped at 10:30 to a 4 breakout. We noticed that the London Southside liquidity rate is 2 times. Rate 2 times. One time at 8:30 right there, and then the second time right here. It rate actually second time 3 times right there. Actually 3 times. So it's huge. That's the huge. And we run out of bullets right here. We waste all our bullet on that. If we reserve our bullet, we can go on here and we make a huge money. But you never know. That's the beauty right there. Wow, it's a beautiful phenomenon. You see, this is yesterday, Tuesday, right? It flipped exactly at 10:30 right there. So if it make it feel like it's gonna be a 4 breakout. right? You have break level and then test from above, then it's going to be reversal, which is a fall breakout, but it turned into a pre-breakout, which is second leg up. So a fall breakout, Taiwan turned into a real breakout, but today is the opposite. The opposite, that it's going to be real breakout, second neck leg. I think we are mix right here. It should be neck leg down, right? It's a neck leg down, but you see exactly at 10:30. You look at that, the flip in at 10:30, and yesterday the same at 10:30. Now we see that. Wait for 10:30. That's the key right there. Wait for 10:30. It flip, then going. You see the flip at 10:30. Wow, that's the pattern, time-based pattern that we just find out today. It's just under the radar. We just focus something else, but today it really helped us to see and solidify the pattern right there. That's beautiful. Wow. Let's see. Let's see, my friend. It's so wonderful. You see that? It's just the same. But let us fix this verbiage right there. It's a bit of neck leg down. Alright, we just fixed the verbiage right there. It's a neck leg down. So it's gonna be a real breakout, create a second leg down, but it flips at exactly 10:30 right there, and it flip it. It's like similar as yesterday, right? Let open. You see that yesterday, exactly at 9:30, it flip. It creates second leg up. But today we thought it's gonna be a second leg down, but it flip, it reverse. It turned to reverse. So it's the opposite. So between today and yesterday, right? Yesterday is a reversal, but then it flipped. It turned into second leg up, which is a real breakout. But today the opposite happened. Is a second leg down, which is real breakout right there. It flipped back into reversal. That's two object scenario you see right there. We just try to keep things simple so you can see that right there. So only 3 steps, right? We are trying to give them break and then reverse, and then this one has to be second leg down. But in this case, it just flips exactly at 10:30, and that one is also at 10:30. You see 10:30 right there, 10:30. So pay attention to the time right there. Sometimes we caught up with the price, we forgot about the time. That's another aspect of trading where you have to pay attention on the time right there. Not just we have 2 axes. One is right here, the time right there. We just give focus on the price, but we forgot the time. Yeah, exactly 10:30. You see that? It flipped. And here's the 9:30 right there. Right? We thought that it's gonna break this level, reverse from here. But try one more time and then boom. Yeah, so that's 2 critical setup. Yep. And right here is very it not really we let's see if we see the high time frame on that level. If we do, then that can give us a signal to short them for that pattern right there. Let's look at the daily. So why at that level? Yeah, we don't have much. Why at that level stop? maybe at the level. Let's see what is there. Oh, okay. So the low of this is 89.75. Maybe this level, right? This the low right there. But anyway, it's too much right here. We don't want to create too much level. We're just going to simplify thing right there. Yeah, but we see that in the our observation, when you see the heel move right there, heel candle, and then right there, that's the good time go in and put a buy stop, occasionally sell stop right here, and we aim for the liquidity right here, the key level right there, at the London the high right there, which should be it, and yeah, I think that's the only setup beautiful for today. So whenever you see this range, wait for it to rip liquidity for breakout at one side and then boom, go up. Then you have a huge range right there. Yeah, let's look at the trade that we make right there for today. Yeah, here's the first trade we take for today, right at 8:30 Eastern time, when we see that the data release. Yeah, we saw that. Well, let's go in and take a quick trade right here. Just buy it, and boom. You see that? It hit our target. Boom. That's the first trade we take right there. Boom. We should stay right there and wait patient to see how it gonna deal with it liquidity. But we're so eager. We try to chase, and that's the mistake we made. No doubt about that. We have to
Order fill.
You see, we jumping right there again. I think the first trade we take perfect, but this trade it had four more right there. Especially when you see this. Yeah, that's the lesson we make right there, and we just give back our win right there. Boom. You see that? We lose right away. We lost. We just give back right away. So we take too long trade right away, and then boom, we try to short them. Right? We short them. Right? It not go our way right away. You see that? So we close the trade right away, and I think we close it. It not hit our. It's close or hit our stop loss.
Order filled.
Yeah, it hit our stop loss. It hit our stop loss. Yeah, but it blew back right there. It go our way a little bit. Yeah, one more time. It's not right. We have to move to break even when we have a chance right there. Otherwise, you see, it's pull back and we take a loss. So next time, put into break even. Let's see if it hit our target or we just stop out. I mean, we just close the trade. Yeah, let's see.
Order filled.
Is that we hit the target or we just stop out? Hard to tell.
Order filled.
Yes, so it just hit our stop loss. You see that? We make 3 trade right there. We just stay with the very good trade. First trade stay there. We chase them another long trade, and then when we see flip, we chase. It's a mistake we make right there. It's a unforced, error. Yes, that error we make, and let's see what other errors we make. Okay, so we chase one more time this trade, boom. Okay, so we get it back very quick. Yeah, we chase right there, boom. Okay, so the fourth trade right there. And let's see what else. So right here, okay, right here, we make a last mistake right here. Yeah, we tried to go and short them, but it did not work out. You see that? Boom, we get out. And then we try short again, and we get our self in trouble right there. Again, you see it get add up right there. So only this candle, 15 minutes, will make a couple of mistakes right there. Because this is a doji candle, that means it's gonna be swing. So let it play out a little bit. Maybe at 8:30 or so, right when it open. I mean at 9:30, instead of chase them, you see that we short them, boom, we get stop out, and then we short them again, and then we move our target, boom, we get stop out. Yeah, so if we short right here, it's the right idea, but don't move. If we stay there, we perfect. This trade perfect for it right there. When we short them at this candle, I think is at 9:15 candle, perfect, because eventually you see right here this candle 9:15. Yes, let's hold on to that. Oh, we may get let me see. Yeah, if we put our target up, don't move them up there. Oh, let's see what they are. Over. Let's see.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Okay. So don't move the stop loss right there. Original we put at 54.71. You see it never go reach that, even though it the high of this. Yeah, it's 25. It's not even 71. So we still stay in the trade, and we get a huge move down right there. So sometimes we have to believe our targets and wait for this to reach the targets. That's the huge lesson we learn. All right, here's the another trade that we took. We see that we keep, when it keep before the market open, it create a very volatile condition, and we keep trading right there. We cannot help ourselves. Yes, we go long and then we stop again. You see that We spoke right there. We short, yeah, and then what happened right here? Did we, yeah, we have 300, we move our targets for that matter. And then when it moved back, we're not comfortable, we get out. See, we give back, we should get profit when it hit 400 right there. Yeah. If
Order
eventually
filled.
we get out for break even, that's but you never know. I mean, it's just it's moved very volatile right there. I mean, we cannot blame ourselves either. I mean, it is what it is. Yep. And that's and one mistake we make right here of this candle, and we get blowout. We're done for the area there. After this, wow, explosion right there. But anyway, thank you for your time and interest. We're only grateful for the opportunity. We do what we love, then success coming to our way. And bye for now. Have a great evening.